In this video, I'm going to explain about test case design sheets. This is used to improve the coverage of your test cases. To create a test sheet, you will make use of attributes. There are two kinds of attributes, a physical and a logical attribute. A logical attribute is used for organizing your test sheet, and the physical is for the actual data. In other words, if an attribute has a sub-attribute, then it's a logical attribute. For example, administration, precondition process, but also enter vehicle data are logical attributes. The make, engine performance and number of seats of fuel data are physical attributes because these have actual values in them. There are also two kinds of instances, one at the top level and the other at the attribute level. In the attribute level, this is a value or a combination of values, and in the top level, it's the name of the test case. In this test sheet, I'm going to add the age of the insurant. You are allowed to get an insurance if you're 18 till you're 70. Now I'm going to add the instances. One instance is when you're 35 years old. Another one whose birthday is today and he's 18 years old. The next one is the birthday of this person is tomorrow and he will get 17 years old. Or the birthday is tomorrow and he will get 80 years old. And the last one is when you're today 17 years old. Here, 35 years is the happy flow. When the person turns 80 today, it's a boundary value, but it's valid. When the person turns 70 tomorrow, it's a boundary value and also valid. When the person turns 18 tomorrow, then it's an invalid option because you won't get an assurance and it's a boundary value. When the person turns 70 today, it's invalid and a boundary value. With creating these instances, I created multiple test cases with a clear name. Now I will fill in the test sheet. For the date of birth, I choose the right date of birth. And for the other data, I click on my control and fill empty values, specific. Click on OK, and it will fill in with all the happy flows. This you can also do with the other attributes. Fill in specific, straight through, and now everything is filled in. I showed you how to add instances by hand. However, Tosca can do this much faster for you. You can control-click on the attributes and then generate instances. You have a few options, however, we are going to generate instances by linear expansion. This means that everything is the happy flow except for one value. As you can see here, it's the same as what I did by hand. In this video, I explained about test case design and how Tosca can help you to easily improve the coverage of your test.